Getting healthy is a lifelong journey, and along that journey, many of us have tried all of the fad diets and foods with little to no luck. Well, that's because we're all different, and the ways that we'll get healthy will be different as well. That's why we're here today at PDLabs, a specialty pharmacy, to talk to Ray Solano, our friend, clinical nutritionist, and pharmacist, about a personalized plan to help you unlock your healthiest future.
Fad diets are really a thing of the past. Healthcare is being transformed by technology. And we've developed a program called Metabolic Code that was developed by Dr. Jim Laval. He's a pharmacist and a clinical nutritionist that understands what your metabolic deficiencies are. By taking a simple questionnaire of 145 questions that are also paired with your blood work that can really understand your metabolic deficiency. So it's a unique algorithm. It's using artificial intelligence that pairs these together that really understands where you're going today and where you're going to probably be in the disease states maybe 10 years from now. And so what we're going to do is going to take my questions and also be able to pair them and show you what my blood work was and see how the differences where I was before and see the progress that I've made. So this is going to be real time, and it's going to be something you'll see over a period of the next segment, that we'll see the lifestyle changes I've made and the progress I've made. You know, it's good for everyone because everyone wants to be as best as they can be. But you know what's important? They want to know where they are today and where they can be in the future, because we want to slow the progress for aging, and also we want to unlock what our potential is, especially for athletes. Go to our website at PDLabsRx.com and look for the Metabolic Code on our website and look for the questionnaire, and we'll have somebody call you with the information, download the questionnaire for you. And if you want to, you can do the lab test as well for a fee. And we put these two together to really understand your metabolic deficiencies. The technology is trying to predict where our health is going. So it's important. Are you going to be at risk for type 2 diabetes in the future? Are you going to be at risk for high blood pressure or even cancer and cardiovascular disease? So that's what technology has been able to offer people, is understanding where they are today and where they're going. And you know what? It was a wake-up call for me as well. Well, most people don't realize that their blood sugar levels are creeping up a little at a time. This is where you get the excess body fat is occurring. So it's really important that cardiovascular disease as well as high blood pressure is also linked to rising levels of blood sugar levels. That's why sugar is probably the start of many of these conditions. And you know what? It all starts with excessive sugar. We eat way too much, and it probably can reverse a lot of conditions if we just restrict that from our diet. The Metabolic Code is unique that it determines the trends that are occurring in your blood test. That's important because the trends, nobody is really talking about the trends that are occurring. So what we found out for myself, everybody thinks they're okay, but once you actually go through the program, it uncovers so much more that you said, you know, when you put all this together and use this algorithm, you realize, you know what, there's some huge holes in your lifestyle and also what you're eating. PDLabs is a specialty pharmacy that makes unique pharmaceuticals. We personalize medications for patients. So it's really important, this fusion between prescription medication, also nutritionals, gives some very good solutions for patients. It is important to personalize medications for patients as opposed to one size fits all. So it's important to check out our website. It's free information, PDLabsRx.com, or also call us at 888-909-0110. I do a podcast, Healthy Choices XM. We have tremendous amount of catalog of old shows, free health tips, so check us out.
Well, make sure you check out the website and Ray's very cool podcast, and that questionnaire is free to begin. So head to the website and check it out, and we will actually be back very soon to check on Ray's results. Stay tuned.